right, let's solve this logarithmic equation. Log of x minus log of 15 equals to log of 0.2. So first we are going to isolate log of x. So that would be log of x equals log of 0.2 plus log of 15. We just basically added log of 15 to both sides. Now we are going to simplify. Okay, so now we're going to simplify. So that is log of 0.2 times 15. Very good. And we'll have log of x equals to, and you're multiplying these two, and by multiplying them, you'll get log of 3. And that is simply x equals to 3. And the best thing to do is you go back there and you make sure that you check your answer. And in this case, it does work. Log of 3 minus log of 15 is equal to log of 0.2. You can use the long-handed logarithmic rules, that is the division. Let's do that. In this case, what we have is log of 3 over 15 or divided by 15. Is that equal to log of 0.2? And that is log of 1 over 5. That is equal to log of 0.2. So this is how you actually go ahead and check your answers and show all your steps. All right. If you enjoyed this content, come back again. See you soon.